Hi, my name is Vajira Jayasinghe, and I'm the manager of OPG's X Lab. It's a specialized group within our Advanced Inspection and Maintenance Division that focuses on technology integration at Ontario Power Generation. I'm excited to invite you on June 24th and 25th to the ROAR conference. Last year, it was a great opportunity for us to connect with industry leaders and benchmark on this rapidly evolving technology set and where it's taking things as it continues to evolve how we do our work. At the X Lab, we are leading innovation in three core areas: online monitoring, advanced manufacturing, and robotics and drones. For online monitoring, we developed our own line of in-house sensors for monitoring equipment in our stations. In advanced manufacturing, we've achieved industry firsts with the use of 3D printed parts within our nuclear assets. And for robotics and drones, we've achieved several industry firsts with the use of the Spot robot as well as with autonomous drones. I look forward to seeing you at the ROAR conference on June 24th and 25th at Ontario Tech University. We'll be showcasing some of these technologies and learning about others as well. Thank you.